So go to deriv.com, straightforward. Go to deriv.com. This is what the interface looks like. Just click on open account, right? Click on open account. You don't need to use my link. Just do your thing. Click on open account. Select your country. You can see it has already taken me to Nigeria. Now I'm going to click on sign up. Click on sign up. Put your email, any email you want to use. Let's see, let me use this email. propmg@gmail.com. Alright, they've sent a message, they sent a mail. Let me just pause this video and so the code is 873-800. I'll show you guys. 873-800. While I'm doing this, I'll be explaining what platform is all about. So I'm going to input a password now. Alright, so let's see if this password will be okay. If it's okay. And my account is what? My account is up, live and running. Now, Deriv is... No, I don't want this for now. Now, Deriv is a platform whereby you can actually trade synthetic indices, all the volatility indices and index that you can trade. You can trade them here. All right. So all you need to do is that to understand that Deriv provides you the platform. All right. Provide you the platform, and everything going on here is 247, just like crypto. But the beauty is that fundamentals do not affect it. So that is why you see that market structure is very important. Fundamentals here there's not like fundamentals. It's an algorithm, okay, of pure price action. All right. So the moment you can decipher and discover your own pattern in this thing, you are going to keep making money. All right. So now we're going to copy our keys here from Deriv and go over to MT5 and input it on MT5. I'll give you guys a walkthrough on how to basically do all of that. It's very simple. So you copy your keys here, your password, your details from here, and then you just go straight over to MT5. That's just it. Nothing, no hard, nothing, no rocket science. So when you are trading on MT5 or MT4, it will now be reflecting here. So if you want to fund your account, you have to fund it through Deriv here. I'm making sense. You have to fund it through Deriv. You can fund and withdraw from your Deriv platform, not on MT5. So this is acting like your broker now. You get, for those of you who have been trading Forex before, this is now going to be acting as your broker. Now, we're going to say try real trading. Let's go. Let's see how it is. Look at my date of birth, personal details. Let me just put any date of birth. Let's put what do we put now? I don't know. I've already used my real age for my main account, so I can just put maybe 1990 or something. I'll just set it. This is just to teach you guys how it works. Step-by-step guide. So I'm going to take my time. Put your phone number, okay? I'll verify later. Can always do that one later. I don't waste time. Do this one later. All this verification I'll turn on location. Down this time. Okay. So we can enter our address manually. Okay. Let me just put something here. Edo, which is not my address though, but this can work. The time being. So now revenue. Now take cognizance of this. They're trying to tell you that there is risk involved. Financial trading services offered on these sites are only appropriate for customers who accept the possibility of losing all the money they invest and who understand and have experience of the risk involved in the purchase of financial contracts. Transactions in financial contracts carry a high degree of risk. If the contract you purchase expires worthless, you will lose all your investment, which includes the contract premium. Now, FATCA, that's FATCA declaration. Are you a citizen or resident of the US for tax purpose? No. Politically exposed person status. A politically exposed person is someone appointed with a prominent public position. Close associates or family member of a people are also considered to be PEPs. Are you a PEP? No. Click accept. And then Viola. Just like that, your account is up and running. See, there is also this thing. So you can now go home. So to deposit now, just click deposit. You see all the options to deposit from. Right? So just watch this video. I usually use what do you call it now? Crypto. So once you click on crypto, just type USDT. Simple. Go to Tron, which is this one here. Go to Tron. Tap on Tron. Copy your wallet address. Go to Bybit, Binance, anywhere you have this thing. Just the way you do normal transaction. Copy it. Go to Bybit, and then fund your account. This should not be a problem. Remember, minimum deposit is $10 or more. All right. So this one is simple. I shouldn't explain so much about that. This one is instant and low fees, but minimum is $20. So now that we know how to do all these things, I think it's very important now. I will now try to understand how to understand the interface of this particular platform. Right? How to understand everything. So here I'll click on details. I'm going to click on details here. To show me a lot of things. Now I want to create my MT5 password. Read this. You are adding your Deriv MT5 CFDs account under Deriv SVG LLC. Read this. Read it very carefully. So this is how we will now link what we are doing. Read this. So read it very, very carefully. You are adding your Deriv MT5 CFDs account under Deriv SVG Limited Liability Company. So here now you come here and create your password. It must have 8 to 16 characters. Let's create one. Pause the video first. Alright, I'll click on continue. I've created it. This is from start to finish. Created it. So the next thing I want to do now, MT5. You see, your MT5 account has been created. Alright, MT5 account has been created. Let's view the account. You'll see if it's live, confirm it. See that your account is already live. So you have an MT5 account for CFDs, right? Now you can make a deposit here. To deposit now, just click deposit. Very easy, very simple stuff. The way I taught you before. If your account was not in CFD, your account must to trade. Your money must be in CFDs. Are you getting me? Your money must be in what? CFDs. Want to do something very easy? All you have to do now is to come here on the home page. You can see one on the home page. We have home under here. It's a step-by-step guide. I love making videos like this. Go to home page. This will display. Then click on details. Now we want to link this CFDs account that we've created on Deriv. We want to link it to a trading platform, which is MT5 or MT4 or whatever, but it's better to use MT5 for Deriv. It's easier. So you see all these details here now, yeah? See all these details. You copy the what? Login, which is this. Copy your login. Then the password you created before for this CFD. Not your Deriv username and password. There was a password. Watch this video again. There was a password you created when opening this CFD account. You saw me when I created it. Right, so I'm going to copy this now. I'll copy this login UID. I'll copy it. And then I'll come to MT5. For those of you who do not know how to use MT5 or who have never downloaded it before, let me walk you through that now. Go to your Play Store. Go to Play Store. Just type MT5. You see, it's already out. Just type MT5 or MetaTrader 5. Is this one here? You know, some of you still ask questions. Is this one? All right, this is the one you download. I already have it, so it's telling me to update. Once you download it, it's going to take you straight to. It's going to take you straight here. Then, if you don't have an account before, just tap on this plus icon here. This plus icon. Tap on this plus icon. Then type Deriv SVG. It will show. Just type Deriv SVG. You see the one. This LLC on will show. This one here to show. So I'm just going to tap on it. Now this is going to populate. To populate right here. That we should either open a demo account or open a real account. You can see we only have the option of opening a demo account because I already have a real account. So here it is showing me log into an existing account. Okay, my existing account here is already logged in on this MT5 on this phone. I have two phones that I use for trading. I also have another account, one of my major accounts in another phone. So this device I'm using to make this video now. I have MT5 logged in here. So that is why I can't open another real account. You see here is blank, but you can see here it says open a demo account. So this is the real account I'm telling you about. Let me show you so you don't confuse yourself. See, I have a real account here that has $12 inside here. All right. The purpose of this video. Now, if I come here and tap on Deriv SVG, for you now that is a newbie, you need to create your own. So you tap on open a real account. Then this will show, it will show you login, password and everything. Copy your login that we've copied already, that login, put it here. The password you created, put it here and click on login. Automatically it will take you to the MT5, which is this now. So let me log in here. I've already funded this one for this tutorial. So it's going to take you here. Then you just click on trade. or quotes. Under these quotes now, you are going to be seeing different assets, different pairs, not pairs rather, different quotes. Let me put it that way, because you are trading only one index. You are not trading it against another. So you see volatility 50, volatility 75, and so on and so forth. Step index like this one I gave yesterday. This is step index. Let me show you the chart. Can you see this trade is moving massively? Immediately we tapped it, we tapped entry. It's already moving massively. All right. So basically, this is just how it is. So when I give a signal, I'll make another video showing you how to enter a trade, how to set your TP, stop loss, lot size, and everything. But this is just how to link your Deriv broker to your MT5, your trading platform. All right, so any money that is traded here will be reflecting on your Deriv. Watch this video as multiple times as possible. Whatever you've deposited, right? Let me show you again. Let me go back. Let me go back to Deriv. Let me go back to Deriv. So once you have funded your account under CFD, right? You funded your account. Your money must be in CFD. If you fund your account and the money shows in portfolio, let me show you. If you fund your account and your money is showing here under portfolio, you have to transfer it to CFD. You see transfer here, because usually when you fund, depending on where you fund from, if you fund from your wallet, just click on transfer. You see deposit, transfer, withdraw. Click on transfer. It says no funds available. So if, for example, you deposited and the money was in your wallet, just click on transfer. The option will show for you to transfer from your wallet to CFD, just the way you do it on Bybit. You transfer from funding to unified trading, the same thing, nothing changes. The same thing, guys. So basically, this is all that there is. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to go into trades and how to take trades when I drop signals for you after paying for your premium signal service. So yeah.